What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Your boy is back with the old Oakleys. We're going to be working on the Mustang today. I just received the AC bezel, which pretty much goes around the whole AC vent and everything else in the bottom from the radio. That was in pretty bad shape. It was all broken. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, but I think I probably did. Just got it. It's original from Ford. To my surprise, I thought it was just the bezel around the AC. It's actually the bezel with the AC vent, so that's pretty cool. I'm having a little bit of issue with the Mustang. My boy Sergio's coming out over now. We're gonna hook up the computer to it. It's kind of shutting off on me on idle, and it's kind of scaring me that the motor was bad, but we're gonna get to work on that right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the bezel while Sergio gets here. And yeah, keep you guys updated on the engine. Hopefully it's not anything messed up in the engine, but it sounds pretty fine to me. So let's go ahead and get the bezel installed. I'm gonna show it to you guys now. And yeah, let's start the video. All right, boys, so this is it right here. Gonna put it out. This is a little bit of a hassle. Here we go. Put it this way to get it out. Here it is, boys. So it is a charcoal gray, which I love that color. It's like a charcoal dark gray, and as you can see, it comes complete with the AC vents right here. I also ordered, I went to eclassics.com and I also ordered a bunch of stuff. I ordered the new hood lash. I ordered the new hood. The lash that goes in the front. I ordered the hood cable, which is that one's broken off. The tip is like broken off, it's like hanging. I also ordered the switches for the windows, and I ordered the base for the windows, and that's pretty cool. The good thing about these parts is that they're actually OEM and they're pretty cheap, so I feel that this is going to be a nice little build. But anyways, let's go ahead and get that radio bezel installed and make sure that the interior is looking good. All right, boys, so it's already in, looking fresh. I love the charcoal gray. Gives it a more, to me, I like it more. It gives it a little bit more of contrast to it. It's a little bit of a different gray from the dash, but it looks well and it looks good. It gives it a little bit of different contrast. Now, at some point, I'm gonna have to order this because there's a big gap here that I really don't like. I do have to get the speakers on the side of the doors because they're not working, and the e-brake, it's a little loose. So as you guys can see that, it's a little loose. I'm gonna have to take this apart. There's definitely something gonna be broken there, so I'm definitely gonna have to check this out. Now, as you guys know, I hoard a little bit of parts, so this one I was gonna keep, but the fins are actually broken here and broken here, so I think I'm just gonna dump this. This is 20 years old, original from Ford. Doesn't really matter how old it is, but it's definitely, as the fins are broken, I'm not gonna keep it. So the good thing is that this part came together with everything, and it just looks fresh, and it doesn't look like nothing's broken, and it looks really good. When it comes to the door panels, these are pretty much gone. I might reupholster them, but I ordered this right here, the base here. I ordered the switches. I ordered the hood latch, which is broken there. I also ordered the one that goes in the front in order to close the hood better. I have to get this plastic. I haven't found it yet, and I have to definitely do the pedals. As you guys can see, that is disgusting down there, so that doesn't look good at all. I ordered this one. I also ordered that one over there, which is also gone. Have to do something about this steering wheel. This steering wheel is in bad shape. But this right here, hood latch in the front, this one and the one in the front, and that over there with the switches, looking around $69. I actually switched the camera lens a little bit because I had to zoom in with this one and the other one doesn't zoom in. So I'm working on the car right now, but you're gonna see that on a later video. So yeah, the good thing about building this car, what I've noticed is that everything is pretty cheap. Original from Ford, and not only that, I'm able to find it with no problem compared to the JDM market, where it's becoming very hard to find things. Now, Cars and Coffee was great, but one thing I noticed was that I have to buff the car. The car needs a buff in the top. The hood I started buffering, came out really good, as you guys saw in the previous video, but I have to definitely do the hood because it definitely needs it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Your boy is out. If you're liking the videos, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for your boy for more Mustang content. I'll see you guys.